What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So here with a customer client, my very first customer that gave me a shot. I started on lawn care business, so it's kind of what they want. They want to get trees and mulch and flowers and everything put down. So what I do first is I spray paint how they want it to, go around, and then I hit it with the weed eater. It kind of, define the line a little bit more before I put the border down. Then I'm gonna spray the fence with some grass and weed control killer. And once I get all that done, then I'm gonna put this fabric down. This might be overkill. And these nails. So, just want to give you guys an update. Lawn season is right around the corner in 2 weeks. But just want to give you guys an update on how you can still make money doing landscaping. And all right, guys, here we are. And then I'll give you an update as I go, instead of making a long video of y'all seeing me, putting fabric down, nails down, and all that other crap. So stuff you can do on your own. All right, see you guys soon. Peace. So just finished raking up the grass. You can see to loosen up the soil some more right here. A little out of breath, but making progress. And here's the that old dirty dead grass. Don't look like a big five, but it's a nice size, trust me. So still making progress. All right, this is what we're looking at so far. It looks a little better. I just gotta put this tarp down. And then the mulch. Got the tarp down. Got the tarp down. Next, put this edging down right here. We're gonna use this regrow edging. I'll put it at the back, yeah. We're gonna use this right here, guys. With these staples. Nails. I got more nails though. And then keeping it rolling. Alright. See y'all soon. Up on the job. It looks good. So that's how we do it, y'all. All done. Looking good. Yep, we got it done, y'all. Y'all hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Tell me what y'all think. They're good, man. Definitely look good. Another job done. Took me, no lie. Took me 5 hours by myself. All right, guys, peace.